Good morning, language arts students. How are you doing today? I'm taking proactive measures here to not spread the coronavirus. Um, got a couple announcements for you. All right. And my beard is growing in, so you got to tune in daily to see how that's going. Okay, a couple of things I just wanted to point out to you to help you out a little bit. The distance learning page is going to remain the same for language arts. The first page, anyway, just gives a little clarification, some information. You'll notice at the bottom, I don't have this active yet, but I'm thinking of some extension activities for those of you who are flying along and maybe getting bored because the work's too easy. I'm going to start posting some extension activities, some ideas that you could do to just enhance. I'm sure you can think of things on your own too, and always reading more is perfect, probably the best solution of all. Down here, I have a link that goes to last week's distance learning plan. So basically, you click on that, it's going to take you to last week's slides. This is going to be a way I'll keep this running so that you can always look back. Maybe you didn't finish something, you need to access it, you can go there. But then our newest slide, Monday, April 6th, pretty soon there'll be a video posted right here as soon as I'm done with it. Again, for today, read 30 minutes in a chapter book. Look up and define 7 new vocabulary words that go with our story. So there's a story today called Night of Terror that I want you to read. It's about women's suffragists movements in the early 20th century. And there might be some vocabulary words that would be helpful for you to look up first. So basically, you can go to, I've got everything linked below here so you can find the link. And let's see, this is not really going to help you too much. I can kind of show you quickly. It should be pretty easy. Use dictionary.com or a dictionary you have at home. Even if you were to go on to Scope Scholastic, you're online, and go to the bottom of the story, there's a place where they actually tell you what the words mean. So you could do that. But I have this word ally. It's not ally. It's when it's used as a verb, it means ally, like I'm going to ally with someone. If it's a noun, it's ally. So I just want you to see how that word is used. If we use it as the verb, like I'm going to ally myself with someone, it basically means I'm going to join them. I'm going to unite with someone. They're my allies now. And then we have amendment, picket, suffragist, treason, alienate, and prominent. Basically, just look these words up, like I said, in dictionary.com. Find out what the meaning is. Look it up in a dictionary on your own, whatever. One thing I do want to show you before this video gets too long is our language arts page for Google Classroom. Under classwork, I've organized things a little bit differently here. You'll see over here on the left, I've got topics. Topics for week 2. Additional reading. I'm not sure what I was going. Oh, additional reading logs. Those are all the ones before distance learning. And then week 1. So all the things that I assign in week 1, I've put underneath this topic, okay? And all the things that are going to be assigned this week, I put under the topic week 2. So it should be pretty easy to find where you go to classwork, and here's your week 2, April 6th through 9th distance learning assignments. What I'm trying to do this week is to make sure everything is in a place that gives you a reminder that it's due. Last week there were a couple of assignments with deadly hits that weren't posted on here. They were basically Google Forms, but there was never a reminder for you to do them if you forgot to do them. I'm trying to make it so that even the Google Forms are going to be on here to give you a reminder. Basically, it'll be treated as an assignment. I'm just trying to think of better ways for us to, me not having to email you out and say, oh, don't forget about this. I've also included on the bottom of our page, which you may have seen, a checklist. This would be a good checklist to do on Thursday or Friday. It's not 100% updated yet, but basically these are the things that we're going to be assigned throughout the whole week. The assignment and the day it was assigned. And then I know you can't literally click on this, but you can, recopy it or just use it as a mental checklist. Did I read 30 minutes a day, Monday through Thursday? Yes. Did I turn in my reading log 20? Yes. Did I turn in my writing prompts both Wednesday and Thursday? Yes. Did I turn in my Greek and Latin roots April? And that one's another assignment that'll be assigned. I can't remember exactly what day this week, but using a web page, you can look up those Greek and Latin roots yourself. Basically, I'm giving you the job that I used to do in making my slideshows, and you can handle that just fine. The Night of Terror vocabulary, the inferences in Night of Terror. I want to still work through text evidence and have you find some inferences. 20 minutes of IXL, and that's explained in there. And then there's a quiz on Night of Terror. So that's kind of our week so far. But I'm going to get this video done here so that we don't take up too much more time. On IXL.com, one more last thing. Later on, we will be doing some skills here with analogies. And regardless of if you're a 5th or 6th grader, I want you doing the 5th grade skills. Where is it? Z1. That's if you're a 5th grader and a 6th grader, do those. And then also on the 6th grade skills, even if you're a 5th grader, do the 6th grade skills. The concept still applies. And I think it's U1 and U2 or something like that. So that should be a little bit of an explanation for this morning. We'll see if this video is quite long. We'll see if it uploads. Feel free to email me, check in. Hopefully this week we'll even get a chance to check in through Google Meets Hangouts. Okay, that's the one we're supposed to be using now per the district. All right, take care. 6 minutes and 20 seconds.